how to fix not eligible for TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPorn. In this video I'll show you how you can fix not eligible for TikTok problem on your TikTok while signing up. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you are facing this kind of problem which says sorry, looks like you are not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. This might occur because you have entered your wrong date of birth, or if you are below 13 years. So to freely use TikTok, your age must be above 13 years old. So make sure that you are above 13 years old before signing up. So if you are doing all this step and you are above 13 years old and you are not able to sign up for TikTok, it might happen because there is some problem with your application and it is outdated. Now what we can do, update our application to its latest version. We can do it by going to our Play Store and search for TikTok on your search bar. Tap on TikTok, and if you see update button instead of open in the space, that means that your application needs to be updated to its latest version. Just tap on update and your update files will be downloaded to your mobile device, and you might be able to fix this problem of not being eligible for using TikTok, being more than 13 years old. And after doing this step, if you are still facing this problem, what you can do is go to settings section on your mobile device, and go to settings section on your mobile device and tap on apps and notifications and search for TikTok on the search bar, which is around at the top right side of the screen. But I'm seeing TikTok on my recently opened app, so I'm going to tap here. You can see the option that says storage and cache. Just tap on it and tap on clear cache to clear all the temporary files on your TikTok application which might be causing some issue on your application to run smoothly. Just tap on it and you will be able to clear your cache files. So even after doing these two steps, you are facing this problem, what you can do is go to your TikTok application, and while signing up you can see there is question mark icon. Just tap on it, which is around at the top right side of the screen. Just tap on it, and basically by doing this you can report a problem on TikTok. And now tap on other, and you can see there is a review section of is your problem resolved. Just tap on no and tap on need more help, and write a message to convey that you are not able to sign up for TikTok because every time you do it you face this problem that is saying you are not eligible for TikTok. So write your report and send it to TikTok team, and I hope that they will be able to fix your issue. Just do it, and after doing all these steps I hope that you will be able to fix not eligible for TikTok issue. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.